Despite several rumors and renderings, the South Korean tech giant has yet to officially announce the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The flagship range is likely to retain the Galaxy S24 series prices the same as the Galaxy S23 series, while a recent leak confirmed the presence of the emergency satellite messaging feature in the Galaxy S24 portfolio. No one likes price increases, but it's one of the biggest trends we've seen in the latter half of the year, with recent flagship releases like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro seeing their prices go up by $100 over their predecessors, so one might expect Samsung to follow suit with its upcoming Galaxy S24 series, but that doesn't appear to be the case, which is great news to us. According to a report by Korean publication Hancam, the Galaxy S24 series will have the same price as the Galaxy S23 range, which essentially means the upcoming Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a starting price tag of $799, $999, and $1,199 in the US, respectively. Having the same price indicates that Samsung believes it can boost sales in a recovering market while remaining competitive by offering more features at the same or lower price than its competitors. Another reason Samsung's intention to employ Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and its own Exynos 2400 processor on the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in certain regions is likely to help the firm keep prices stable. Because of the price-freeze strategy, the corporation has allegedly set a product sales target of more than 33 million units. This would be a 10% increase over the Galaxy S23 series. Separately, a report by Sam Mobile claims that Samsung will bring an emergency satellite texting feature for the Galaxy S24 series. The report includes a screenshot from a Galaxy phone showing the functionality dubbed emergency text via satellite, which allows users to send emergency texts when they are out of range or not connected to a mobile network. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.